All right, folks, we're in our new location. Been shut down for a little bit here, trying to get moved inside. It's been about 15, 20 years since well, I've never been inside. I've painted inside my garage forever. So we've got heat and air now. But I do not know what this black line traveling up and down my GoPro is. Something to do with these LED lights in here. So I don't know. That doesn't look like that's going to work out very well, but we're going to try it and see what we got. We're going to be doing the Zoom hot mustard today. So let's get with it. Start this off. We're going to do the belly and half the side in a yellow, just a normal transparent yellow. We're going to come in with back color here. Now, I kind of favor 2 or 3 coats of this candy apple red when I'm matching the Zoom hot mustard. Let a little of that fall down into that yellow. These are rapala, however you want to say it. Rista wraps, customer sent me. So, old wooden bait. I don't know, man. This old GoPro's having trouble. And I'm having a little bit of a time with my new setup. Just getting to feel everything's in a different location. We just got to do a little black down the back. Little shad dot. Let's see if we can get it to playing better. Last color is just a little, whoa, man, everything is. Tell you what's going on. I've got a nice clean booth. I'm indoors in a bedroom, and it's like you're gonna make a mess. I mean, everything is working that direction. All right, so we're going to come back and we just want to, what, now we have no air? All right, last thing up here, we're going to hit the throat with a little red orange. And our guy out there in, I think this is Georgia, Lake Lanier. Boys, like, usually when I get the Zoom crawl or Zoom bait remakes, it's generally North Carolina or something. Yeah, it's Georgia. That's my man in Georgia. Got a couple different orders for him. So, guys, just gonna give you a little recap, and we'll close this video down. Zoom hot mustard. Gonna put some eyes on this bad boy, and they'll be yellow, a little silver, and other than that, the Zoom hot mustard is a rematch. Guys, if you liked the video, if you'd like to see some other stuff about the new paint booth, the setup, the room, all that, let me know. This is kind of I got all my computer stuff moved in here. I've got my rod building stuff moved in here along with my paint booth. So, got a dedicated room. Until next week, Green Country Custom Baits signing out.